We start making a strong copper solution by use of copper sulfide pentahydrate. We want to make a solution 0.1 molar regarding to copper. That means about 25 milligram of copper sulfate per liter. We have copper sulfate in this small beaker, and when we add water, you will see we got a nice blue color solution. Copper sulfate is very soluble in water, so you see even if we start with a powder, you got a very clear blue solution. And this is 0.1 molar.
In this little aluminium container we got a small sample of some Filtralite HMR, which is a calcined marl. And the beauty about this is that it absorbs the cations and anions very strong. And we're going later to show how this copper sulfate solution we just prepared is going to be absorbed totally in this material in a column we're preparing. Here is a plastic column separated in two compartments with a plastic disc with some holes in. In the bottom we have a Leka 4 to 10 milliliter, and on top of that we have this Filtralite HMR material, which is going to act as the sorbing material. On top of that we have Leka spreading material, and as you can see here we have a funnel which we're going to add copper sulfate in.
The experiment has now been running for some hours, and we start with this blue color solution which has a high concentration of copper sulfate, and when this solution has leached to the filter media, it ends up in this container as almost pure water, decolored solution.
And this experiment just proves what we did in laboratory tests, where we exposed the Filtralite HMR to heavy metals in various concentrations, and we saw that the retention was 100%, even for the oxyanions like antimony and phosphorus. And this is half a liter, and the Filtralite material is roughly a liter, and you can see the water is clear, so the absorption is 100%. Mm-hmm.
And I could also say that the start solution was very high in copper concentration, 6,000 milligram per liter. It is far above what is natural concentrations.
This Filtralite HMR has been tested here at Nmbu in Ås, and also at NTNU in Trondheim in column tests.